Children, now we are going to see in this video about the physical properties of alcohols. So the first property is lower alcohols are colorless. First property, lower alcohols are colorless and the higher members are waxy solids. Second point, these alcohols have higher boiling points than alcohols having higher boiling point. Why? What is the reason? Than the corresponding alkanes, alcohols, aldehydes, ethers. What is the reason for that? See, alcohols, we can say it is a polarized molecule like water. What is polar? Polar means having positive and negative charge. That is a dipolar character. For example, water, if you are taking HOH, oxygen is highly electronegative, hydrogen is highly electropositive, so the bond is polar covalent bond. So it is a polarized molecule having partial negative charge, positive charge. So this is a polarized molecule. Like this, alcohol, ROH, R means alkyl group having carbon. So this carbon attached to oxygen, oxygen attached to hydrogen, carbon attached to oxygen, oxygen attached to hydrogen. Oxygen is highly electronegative character, hydrogen is highly electropositive character. So oxygen bonded with hydrogen. So it is also a polarized molecule. So polarized, if it is a polarized molecule, one polarized molecule can form a hydrogen bond with other polarized molecule. For example, ROH, one alcohol, ROH, another alcohol. Between hydrogen of one alcohol and the oxygen of other alcohol, it can form a bond. This bond is called as hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. This is the associated molecules. Once more, if we are connecting ROH, once more this hydrogen and oxygen can form a hydrogen bond. So this is an associated molecule, polarized molecule. So this is the hydrogen bonding. What is meant by hydrogen bonding? Means from one molecule hydrogen, from other molecule the smallest electronegative atom oxygen, the bond formed between the two molecules, that is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So this is the weak force, but nearly it needs 5 kilocalories to 10 kilocalories energy it needs to break this bond. So why alcohol having high boiling point when compared to alkanes, ethers, aldehydes? See in your book. In your book, see, this is butane. Butane means one of the alkane compound. See, the boiling point is 272.5. But see, propan 1-ol, propan 2-ol, these are alcohol compounds. See the boiling point 370.4, 355.5. Similarly, aldehyde 322, ether compound having 283. These are all lower when compared to alcohols. Why? What is the reason? They are also having oxygen and hydrogen. Why? What is the reason? That only we are going to see. See, consider an alkane. Alkane means consider CH3 alkane. It is a non-polar covalent bond. Attraction is less, so no polarized molecule. It can easily become into a vapor form. But ether and aldehyde, see, this is an ether compound, dimethyl ether. Here oxygen having 2 lone pairs, so more electronegative, but here it contains hydrogen. This hydrogen bonded to carbon, not bonded with oxygen. If only hydrogen bonded with oxygen only, it is a polarized molecule. It is bonded with carbon. Carbon is not a it is not a polarized molecule. So this bond is a non-polar covalent bond. No hydrogen bond can be formed between the both. Similarly, even aldehyde. For example, take acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, that is CH3C double bond OH. See, it is also having oxygen and hydrogen, but oxygen bonded with carbon, oxygen not bonded with hydrogen. So this is also a non-polar covalent bond. It is not a polarized molecule. So this is the reason alcohols having higher boiling point, because of hydrogen bonding. Aldehydes, even though it is containing hydrogen, oxygen, alkane, ether, but the bond does not directly combines hydrogen and oxygen. That is the reason why, because alcohols having higher boiling points. This is one of the property. Another property, among isomeric alcohols. Isomeric alcohol means having same molecular formula. For example, this is N-butyl alcohol, straight chain. N-butyl alcohol. This is isobutyl alcohol. This is secondary butyl alcohol. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. All are having same formula. 4 carbon, here also 4 carbon, hydroxyl groups. But this is a straight chain occupying larger surface area. This isobutyl occupying, when compared to this one, this is somewhat lesser area. This is secondary butyl, this is also somewhat lesser area. See, this tertiary, this is more compact, occupying very lesser area. The boiling point for this one is 118 degree. This is 108 degree. This also 108 degree. This one is only 80 degree. What is the reason? On this one of the property. Among the isomeric alcohols, primary having higher boiling point when compared to secondary, tertiary. Why? Because what is the reason? Because N-butyl having larger surface area. These and all more compact. So among the isomeric alcohols, primary having higher boiling point than compared to secondary and tertiary due to the compactness. Then the last point, the lower members are highly soluble in water than the higher members due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water. ROH alcohol, then HOH water. Between hydrogen and oxygen, a bond is formed, that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding between both the molecules, alcohol and water. That is why the lower members are highly soluble in water when compared to the higher ethers due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is the fourth point. It is given clearly in a book, page number 112.